Good day to all of you. Today we shall study quantitative aptitude in that arithmetic ability section in the topic being percentage. This is my third video on this topic, that is percentage part 3. In previous videos I have discussed what is the meaning of percentage, what are the different forms of expressing percentage values and the conversions and problems on that. And in today's video we shall solve some of the descriptive problems on this topic. These descriptive problems happen to be indirect and little bit trickier. Hence, we shall revise what we have learned in the previous video and then solve these problems. So, percentage means how many parts in 100. 25% means 25 upon 100. Out of 100, we have taken 25. That is what is 25%. So 25 ones are 25 fours are, if you do 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. So 0.25 also means 25%. It is also equal to 25 in 100. If cancelled here, 25 ones are 25 fours are, which is also equal to 1 by 4. So 25% can also be written as 0.25. This is the decimal form, as 1 by 4. This is the fractional form, and as 25 by 100. That is how many parts in 100. Okay. Next, 1 means 1 by 1. This is also equal to 100 parts in total of 100. This is equal to 100%. Next, 0.5 means we can write 50 upon 100. So out of 100, 50 are chosen. This is also equal to 1 by 2, which is also equal to 50%. So 50 by 100 means 50%. So when cancelled here, 51s are 52s are. In fractions it is 1 by 2. In decimal, when 1 is divided by 2, it is 0.5. So 0.5 is equal to 50 upon 100, 1 by 2, or 50%. So 28% is equal to 28 upon 100. Okay. So 28 upon 100 if you do, so 28 divided by 100. So we get 0.28. So this is 28% in fraction 28 upon 100. So in the decimal, this is equal to 0.28. Now if you simplify this, 28 upon 100, so 2 14s are, 2 50s are, further 2 7s are, 2 25s are. So 7 by 25. That is why 28% is equal to 28 upon 100, or this one 14 by 50, or this one 7 by 25, and in decimal 0.28. So we may write 28% as 0.28 in decimal, or fractions if you take either as 28 upon 100, 14 by 50, or 7 by 25. All are one and the same. Now we'll have some examples. So 50% of 1000 rupees means 50% is written as 50 upon 100. This off is written as multiplied by sign. Then this 1000 rupees is taken. Now when simplified, this has to be simplified, that is for standard mathematics. If 1000 is there, 1000 divided by 1. Now this 0 is cancelled, this 0 is cancelled. What is remaining? 50 into 10. So it is 500. That is why 50% of 1000 rupees means 500 rupees. So 50%, half of 1000 rupees. 0.5 of 1000 rupees, that is 500 rupees. Okay. So 50% of 1000 rupees. 50% is equal to half. So half of 1000 rupees. 50% is also equal to 0.5. 0.5 of 1000 rupees. All are one and the same, which will give rupees 500. Next, if 1000 rupees are there, so decimal 1, that is 1000. Then if 1000 rupees are there, 50% means 500. Then what is this? 100%. What is this? 50%. If 1000 rupees are there, 25% means it is 250. If 1000 rupees are there, so 0.75 means 75%. 75% of 1000 is here 750. So 100% of 1000, that is which decimal we have to take? 1. Then 50% of 1000 means which decimal we have to take? 0.5. What is the amount here? 500. So 0.5 of 1000 means 500. 50% of 1000 means 500. Similarly, 25% of 200,000 means 250. Next, 75% of 1000 means 750. Next, if you have 1000 rupees, you are taking 100% of that. Then what to do? 1000 into 100% is written as 100 by 100. How many in 100? That is percentage. If you solve this, so two zeros are cancelled. So here 1 by 1 it is 1000 into 1, 1000. So 100% of 1000 means it is 1000 rupees only. Similarly, 1000 rupees if you have, if you take up 50%. So now how to do the computation? Take 1000 rupees multiplied by 50%. 50% means 50 upon 100. Out of 100, 50 is taken. That is what is 50%. If you evaluate this here divided by 1 as it is 1000 means 1000 by 1. Two zeros are cancelled. What is left here? 10 into 50 is 500. That is why 50% of 1000 is 500. 100% of 1000 is 1000. 50% of 1000 is 500. So here how we write in decimal? 1000 into 1. Here how we write in decimal? 1000 into 0.5 instead of 50%. So that is the difference. So next, what is 2%? 2% is 2 by 100. So out of 100 parts, how many? That is percentage. 2% means 2 by 100. Now 2, if you divide by 100, you will get 0.02. So this is percentage form, this is fraction form, this is decimal form. One more fraction form is 2 ones are 250s are. So this can also be written as 1 by 50. That is why 2% is equal to 1 by 50 in fraction or 2 by 100 in fraction, but it is 0.02 in decimal. Okay. Then 0.02% means how much? 0.02% means zero point 0.02 parts in 100. Okay. So now if you divide 0.02 by 100, for that easiest way you shift it by 2 decimal points here. Then you will have to add 2 zeros here. Then it becomes 2 by 10,000. So if 4 zeros here, 3 zeros, then 2. So that is why 0.02% is equal to 0.0002 in decimal. So 0.02 by 100, or this is also equal to 2 by 10,000, or simplified 2 ones are 2 5,000s are. So 1 divided by 5000. So this way many fractions can be found out for a particular number. Okay. So with this revision, we'll go to the next exercise, that is exercise E. At first problem, which is greatest. Here three numbers are given, 16 and 2 by 3%, 2 by 15%. This is 0.17. So this is 0.17 will keep as it is. This is the decimal number. We'll convert the remaining two in decimal. Taking 16 2 by 3% means, so here 3 into 16 is 48 plus 2 is 50. So this is 50 by 3%. 50 by 3% means 50 by 3 out of 100 how many? So it is taken 50 by 3 in 100. So that is why it is 50 by 3%. 2% means 2 by 100. Similarly 50 by 3% means 50 by 3 divided by 100. So 50 by 3 divided by 100 means here 100 by 1 is there. So 50 by 3 divided by 100 by 1. So 4th standard maths means 50 by 3 as it is written. When we divide 100 by 1 becomes 1 by 100. Simplifying 50 ones are 52s. This 1 into 1 is 1. This 3 into 2 is 6. 1 by 6. 1. So 1 divided by 6 if you do, it becomes 0.1666. Hence this is equal to 0.166 in decimal. This will keep it as it is 0.17. Now we will convert this to decimal. So taking 2 by 15. So 2 by 15 means divide 2 by 15. So taking 2 divided by 15 we cannot do. 15 zeros are 0, 2 minus 0, 2 here. So taking point and 1 0 here, 15 ones are 15. So 20 minus 15, 5 is left. 1 more 0, 15 threes are 45. 50 minus 45, again 5 is left, taking 1 more 0. And this is continued this way. Hence, this 2 by 15 is 0.133. Now, these three numbers we have converted to their equivalent decimal numbers. Now, if you compare, so 0.166, this is 0.133 and this is 0.17. So 0.17 is bigger. Here 0.1 equal. So 3 is smaller, 6 is greater and 7 is the biggest. Hence 0.17 is the biggest here. Hence, so out of 16 and 2 by 3%, 2 by 15 and 0.17, 0.17 is the biggest. That is the answer. Next, take up second problem for the today's session. That is, Saroj invests 72,318 rupees, which is 17% of her annual income. What is her monthly income? Okay. Once again, we'll read the problem. Saroj invests rupees 72,318. So she is investing 72,318, which is means equal to 17%, okay, of her annual income. So we'll take it as A, or you can take it as X also. What is X here? Annual income. So once if you find X here, what is her monthly income? So X divided by 12 will give the answer. That will be monthly income. So this is the analysis and approach to the problem. So 72,318 equal to 17% of X. So 72,318 17% means 17 upon 100. Of means into, this is x. So rearranging means keeping x here. Sending other side 100 means here it is divided by, it becomes multiplied here. So 72,000 as it is, right? 17 if you send other side, it is on numerator, it goes to denominator this side. So x is equal to 100 into 72,318 divided by 17. Now if you simplify this, so here 17 ones are 17, 4 to 5, 4. How will you get this? 72,318 divided by 17. If you continue, we will get here 4254. This you can do. Now 100 into 4254 is 4254, that is 2 zeros are added here. This is annual income. Now we have to do get monthly income, means this will have to divide by 12. Okay. That comes out to be 32,450 rupees. This is the monthly income of Saroj. Okay. So this is the analysis, approach and solution to the problem. So what analysis, approach and solution just now we have seen. If you write systematically the solution, so 17% of annual income equal to 72,318. So 72,318 rupees is equal to 17% of X or annual income. So X is written as annual income here. Next 17% means 17 upon 100. Of means it is multiplied by. So X or annual income kept as it is. Now annual income is kept on one side of equation, that is X. The other side 17 and 100 are moved. Then 72,318 into 100 divided by 17 we get. So this simplified we'll get 425400. So this is annual income, that is X what we had taken in the analysis. So 1 year means 12 months. They have asked monthly income, hence 425400 divided by 12 we have to do. So monthly income is annual income by 12 or X by 12. That is what is 425400 divided by 12, and the answer we get rupees 35,450. That is what is monthly income of Saroj. The same answer we had got in our analysis, approach and solution. Okay. Next we shall take up third problem in exercise E. An inspector rejects 0.08% of meters as defective. How many will he examine to reject 2? So in this problem, the inspector is examining some amount of meters. Okay, that we take it as X. So here 0.08% of this is equal to 2, because he has rejected 2. This much he has found out defective. So he has examined something, 0.08% of that is 2. Then how much he has examined? That is the problem. Okay. So 0.08% of means into X equal to 2. So how much he has examined? That is X. So 0.08% means 0.08 upon 100. This into X as it is. This is 2. Now keeping only X this side. If you move 100 other side, it becomes in numerator. Here it was in denominator. Now 0.08 moves. We have to simplify this. 200 upon 0.08. 8. Now here by 2 decimals if you move, so 2 extra zeros will have to give. So 20,000 upon 8. So 20,000 upon 8 is 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. 4 is left, 4 0, 8 fives are 40, 2 zeros. So 2,500. So he has examined 2,500 meters. Out of 2,500 meters, so here if you take, so how much is defective? 0.08% is defective. He had found 2 meters defective. Is it correct or no? That we'll have to verify. 0.08% means 0.08 upon 100. This off means multiplied by. This x is 2,500. So if nothing is there means 1 is here. Now if you simplify this 2 0 are cancelled. So 25 into 0.08, that comes out to be 2. Hence our answer, that is 2,500 meters, the inspector will have checked, out of which 0.08% of that is defective. Means when he checks 2,500 meters, 0.08% of that means 2 meters is defective. To get 2 meters defective, he should have checked 2,500 meters. Okay. That is the analysis, approach, solution and verification of solution also. So coming back to the problem, if the steps involved in the solution are written systematically, the solution 0.08% of x equal to 2 means totally how many he is checking? X. 0.08% of that, finally how much he gets? 2 meters defective. So x we have to find. So 0.08% is written as 0.08 upon 100. Of is written as multiplied by. Now keeping x on one side of the equation, moving 0.08 and 100 other side, 100 goes to numerator, 0.08 comes to denominator. And now if you simplify this, we get 2,500. So the inspector will have examined 2,500 meters to reject 2. Answer 2,500 meters he will have examined. Next, let us take a fourth problem. The price of a TV set inclusive of 9% sales tax. That is, if price of TV is X, 9% sales tax means 9% of X. This is X is TV price plus 9% of X, that is sales tax. That total is equal to 13,407 rupees. So that is what is given here. So let us read once again. The price of a TV set inclusive of 9% sales tax. So price of TV plus sales tax, that is equal to 13,407. Then find its marked price. So marked price means X is the marked price here. That we have to find. So this is analysis and approach to the problem. Now we'll simplify this. Now we'll solve this. So here X as it is. So 9% of X means 9 upon 100, that is 9%. Of means multiplied by X as it is. This is sales tax of the TV. So that equal to 13,407 what is given. Now here X as it is plus 9 into X is 9X upon 100 as it is. So 13,407. Now X plus 9X upon 100 means here 100 is written in the denominator. It is taken as LCM. x plus 9x is equal to 13,407. Now this is equal to 109x upon 100 is equal to 13,407. Hence x is equal to, so we'll have to move 100 other side. So this becomes 13,407 as it is, multiplied by 100. So 109 goes to denominator, and this gives x equal to 13,407 into 100 upon 109. This gives x equal to 12,300. That is, marked price of TV is 12,300. Coming back to the problem, if we write the steps involved in the solution systematically, solution. So let TV price be x, then x plus 9% of x. X is the mark price of TV, 9% of x is the sales tax. Total is equal to 13,407, what they have given. Now x plus, as it is 9% means 9 upon 100, of means multiplied by, then x as it is equal to 13,407. Now left side of the equation is simplified. So 109x is equal to 13,407. 100 is moved other side. Now 109 if you take the other side, so it becomes the denominator. So 13,407 into 100 divided by 109 if you do, we get 12,300. So mark price of TV is rupees 12,300. So that is the answer for the given problem. The same answer we had got in the analysis approach and solution of the problem. Okay. Next we shall take fifth problem, that is the last problem for today's session. The difference between 31% of a number. So number we don't know, that we shall keep it as x. 31% of a number. The difference between this and the other means this minus the other. 13% of the same number. Same number means x. 13% of x. So the difference between 31% of a number and 13% of a number is means equal to 576. What is 17% of given number? So from this we will get what is x, that is the given number. But the question is, what is 17% of given number means 17% of x is how much? So this is what is required here. So this has two steps. First we'll have to find x. 17% of x, that is the question. So this will be the answer. 17% of the x. First we have to find given number, that is x. Then 17% of that number will be the answer. So this is the analysis and approach to the problem. Now we shall carry out these steps. 31% of x. So 31% of x means 31 divided by 100. Of becomes multiplied by, so x as it is, minus 13% means 30 upon 100. Of means multiplied by x as it is equal to 576. Right? Now this is 31x upon 100 minus 13x upon 100 equal to 576. So now denominator is same. So that is why what we can write here, 100 is the denominator. So 31x minus 13 is 18x. That is equal to 576. Right? So if you simplify this, x equal to 576, this denominator 100 goes to numerator and numerator 18 becomes denominator. X equal to 576 into 100 divided by 18. If you simplify this, so it is 3200. So x is 3200. So what is required? The x is 3200 means that is the given number here. Okay. But 17% of given number is asked. 17% means 17 by 100 into 3200. Of means into 3200. These two zeros are cancelled. 17 into 32. So 17 into 32 equal to 544. This is the answer. So what is this? This is 31% of x minus 13% of x. That is the difference of 31% of a number and 13% of a number is 576. Then what is 17% of that number? So from this equation we get x equal to 3200. That is the given number, but that is not the question. 17% of this. So 17% of given number, that is 3200, is 544. So hence 544 is the answer. Coming back to the problem, if we write the steps involved in analysis, approach and solution of the problem systematically. So solution, let the number be x. 31% of x minus 13% of x. That is the difference between 31% of given number and 13% of same number, equal to 576. So is written. Now simplifying this equation, so we get x equal to 3200. This is the given number, but 17% of this number. So 17% of 3200. So 17 upon 100 into 3200, we get 544. Hence 17% of the given number is 544. That is the answer. So this is how what knowledge we have got from basics and solving of many problems on the basics. We can solve any descriptive kind of problem, however tricky they are. So to solve complex problems, more and more practice on the basic problems is required. For that correct understanding of all fundamentals, then practice of solving many problems is very, very important. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.